of the government-backed Radio Télévision Libre de Mille Collines, which in English translates to the free radio and television of the Thousand Hills. He immediately started to produce anti-Tutsi propaganda, and his segments included classical music intros, something the Hutus would see as something very high society, and then Machiavellian quotes and appellations of the Tutsi as cockroaches, aimed at provoking hatred and violence against this other group in Rwanda. His role was less about grassroots outreach, since of course he didn't speak any native language, and more about legitimizing the Hutu power ideology among the elites and military circles, who of course all spoke French.
Dimanche 19 juin 1994 et il est 16h22 à Kigali dans le blindé de la SNM. Avis à tous les Guinéens qui nous écoutent, oui, à tous les Guinéens qui nous écoutent, le Rwanda appartient à ceux qui le défendent vraiment. Et vous les Guinéens, vous n'êtes pas des Rwandais.